Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another like bronzy glowy foundation look. I really liked it, but this time we're doing the underpainting method. Okay, it's real cute and it gives your skin a real good skin like finish. Okay, if you know what I mean. And then for the eye look, I just did something really cute, simple, smoked it out. I feel like this is another cute Valentine's Day look, so you know we're still doing that. And yeah, like for the girls that don't want to wear pink, I got you. Okay, I got a real cute smoky look for you, and gave a little pop of color on the under eye. You couldn't see it too much, but yeah, it's still cute. But enough rambling. So if you want to see how I got this look, don't forget to keep watching, comment, like, subscribe, share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my looks I have going on. Alright, so and keep watching and I'll see you in my next one. So we're going for another bronzy glow look. So my last tutorial where I just used all fancy products for my face, that's what we're doing today. So again, the Fenty Ease Drop, the glow enhancer. Gonna put this on first, like for a glowy base. So you know what? Actually, I think I changed my mind. Still gonna do the bronzy glowy base, but I think I want to do underpainting method today. So I'm just going in with my bronzer first. And this is the Juvia's Place foundation stick. Okay, this is one girl I follow, and she puts her bronzer and she puts her blush first and then her bronzer, but she like blends them together at the same time. I said, I'm gonna try that one day, see if I like it. And I'm basically using all the same products that I used in my last tutorial. We're just doing a different method today. That's all. The NARS creamy concealer with the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect. Mix these two together. I've been loving this a lot lately. Juvia's Place liquid blush. The red one is in Lily Love, and then the pink one is in Rosy Posy. Foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Ease Drop Blurring Skin Tint. Like, she really snapped when she made these, along with the skin tint stick and the Ease Drop Glow Enhancer. Those three together is just like really chef's kiss, okay? Whatever her team over there doing, yeah. So I'll just put some right there. And it don't have to be a lot. Mixture that I did last time, and I really liked it. So yeah, maybe seeing this for a while. Okay, so after you get done setting all your highlighted concealer areas, whatever, just go with your routine as usual. I'm gonna go in with the Color Rain bronzer. It's in the shade Caramel Delight. This is also a Color Rain brush. This is her angled brush, and this goes with this bronzer actually. Like, it's made specifically for this. Shade Cleopatra. Okay, so for my eyes, I want to do something really cute and simple. It's like somewhat of a smoked out look, but I kind of keep mine like right in my eye corner socket instead of like winging it out. Now, if you want to do that, you can. Me personally, I don't know how to do all that, but I like to keep it real cute and simple. And I always use the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, and I always think this looks better in brown. You can use different shades if you want to, but I just prefer brown. I think it looks better that way. All right. Okay, so I'm just starting right here at the corner of my eye, and I'm not going to blend it all the way over. I'm going to keep it like right here in the center. That's where I'm going to stop it. Okay, and try not to bring it up too high. And you can go in with patting motions just to make sure that you don't. And I didn't use any eyeshadow base for this. I just went ahead and set my eye with setting powder with the concealer that I had left on my eyes from carving out my brows. I just brought that down and set it. So I'm taking a smaller brush and a darker shade of brown, and I'm going to pop it right here in the inner corner. Well, not in the inner corner, but on the outer corner of my eye. So right below the one shade you just used. And this one is kind of going directly in the crease. Okay, and the more you use, you want to use a smaller brush. So I had like a medium-sized brush first, and I got a smaller brush, and then the brush after this is going to be even smaller. So just want your brushes to get smaller and dense in size, if that makes sense. So to blend out this area up here, you can either take a clean brush if you want to and just blend it out. But me, I always like to take like a really light base shade and just, you know, fluff it across there. And kind of disappears the color a little bit, but it's really just blending it in. And if you want to, you can always do this step first. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This is a Morphe 5110 brush. I got this from Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so if you want to, you can either look just like this and just do your eyeliner and your lashes. And you could be the under me. I personally like to make mine just a little bit deeper. So I'm going to go in with, like I said, a more smaller and dense brush. And I think I got this brush from Scratch by Cat. Yeah, she sent me a couple brushes. This is one of them. And I'm just going to pop this right in my crease. Okay, so I decided to switch my brushes. Like, that brush works too, but that's not usually the brush I use. I thought it was, but I just remembered. It's this brush that I use. So it's not as small, but it's still very dense. You see how pointy it is, so it's going to pop right there in my crease. And I got this from Coastal Scents, and I don't think they bring this around anymore. So I tried to go look one day, and I didn't see it anywhere. So, but if you have something similar to this or the other brush, both of them would work. I had to bring my mirror a little closer. So I'm going to take the second brush I was using, and I'm just taking whatever is left and blending out that black. Okay, and same thing. So I'm just going backwards with my brushes. I'm taking the first brush and blending even more. Shade, and you can take any cream shade you have. The one I'm using is from Juvia's Place, the Nomad palette, and I think it has like a little bit of shimmer in it or something. And I'm kind of just popping it right here. I don't know, because I usually just leave the look as is, but I don't know, I wanted something extra today. And then I'm just taking one of the brushes, don't matter which one, and just blending out that edge right there. And I'm just taking this small dense brush that I was going to use and just blending out the edge of my liner. Yes, these Amazon lashes are so cute. My new favorites. I just love how they swirl it in. Yeah. Okay, I liked it. That's cute. So it's just two shimmers in this palette, in the NYX Ultimate Edit palette, and I'm just mixing them together. That's all.